difficult? Maybe not. Let's see. You can make a cake in your mug. A Mugcake. Are you tired of eating the same snacks all the time? Try something new. A Mugcake. I'm Adam and I'm going to teach you how to make it today. Okay, you need 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of quark, a piece of chocolate, an egg, stay nice, good egg, and some maple syrup, or you can use sugar or honey, it's okay. To make your mug cake, first you need a mug, and in your mug break the egg. Yes, that's it. And then you add quark. And then flour. Next, you add a bit of maple syrup to your taste. Good. Finally, chocolate pieces, smaller pieces. Okay. And then you just mix it with a fork, like this, and you get this nice mixture. There could be a little bit more flour, but this is okay. Okay. Now it's time to put your mug cake in the microwave. So let's go. Just put it there for a few minutes, and then you have to wait. You can think about your life. You can think about your school or your plans for the day. There are plenty of things you can do. I have a kitchen towel here because when you open the microwave, the mug cake can be hot, so it's better to use my towel. And it's still running, it's wet, so we put it in the microwave for some more time. And more waiting.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's have a look now. Maybe it's ready. Let's see. And it's still a little, when you touch it, it's still a little bit wet on the top. So it means it's not ready yet. But we are almost there. Can't wait.
2 hours later.
I can smell the chocolate and you can see the steam. So let's see. Yes, it's finally ready. When you touch it, it's dry, your finger is dry, and now it's time to taste it. Yes. So let's try. Be careful, it's hot. Delicious, great. I love it.